Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by warming the MCAFFEINE Choco Body Butter in your palms. Doing so softens the texture and helps it glide. Once done, scoop about 1/2 teaspoon and dot the product on target areas, elbows, knees, shins, forearms. You press gently, then spread in circular motions to encourage absorption. This also boosts blood flow. Make sure to work one area at a time so the butter melts into skin rather than sitting on top. You now focus on deeper massage to drive the cocoa-rich oils in. Apply steady circular strokes for 30 to 45 seconds per area. This friction warms skin and opens pores, improving penetration. Once the first layer is tacky, add a thin second layer to stubborn dry patches. Less is better than globbing on. If you want quicker absorption, place warm palms or a soft warm towel over the area for a minute. Then rub gently until the finish is satin, not greasy. You finish by letting the butter set for 3 to 5 minutes before putting on clothes. That prevents transfer and preserves softness. If you notice a greasy residue, blot lightly with a tissue and then buff in a tiny amount more. This balances hydration without shine. Make sure to store the jar away from direct heat. If it becomes too soft, chill briefly to firm texture. If irritation occurs, stop use and patch test other products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.